In this video, we are going to talk about how we can help children or give them opportunities to become independent, to take ownership for their own work, and how to become empowered. So, first thing is to check with ourselves if we are helping them too much where it may not be needed. Are we making decisions based on what they need to dress, what they need to eat, how much they need to eat, when they need to wake up, what is the homework they need to do, when do they go out and play? If we are doing any of these and most of it, that means we are not giving them enough opportunity to work with themselves. So, what are the things that we can do? The first thing is to step back. Second thing is to allow ourselves to take that risk that yes, when children are making choices, it may go according to what they want or it may not. But that gives us an opportunity to make a conversation or have a conversation with the child on what else and how else they can do it. So if your child doesn't run at all, then he will never know how to get up when he falls. So allow them to make their choices, come up with those natural consequences. If it is not related to their safety, allow them to make those choices. And when the outcome comes, sit and have a conversation with them, talking about what other alternatives can be chosen. This gives them the space to think for themselves, take ownership for what they are doing, at least makes them pause before they make a choice and be more independent rather than waiting for others to be doing things for them. Yes, it is a step forward. It is little different from what we have learned on how we need to, constantly be working with our kids and being there for them. We are there for them. It's just that we are doing it little differently. So, are you willing to take that risk? Are you willing to take that step back and pause and watch them grow? Well, it's a choice that we make. Thank you so much.